Welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you, will be discussed with you, Go High Level Honest Review. So, the easiest way to understand Go High Level is to think of it as an all-in-one system that tries to replace a whole stack of tools at once. Now, instead of using one platform for CRM, another for email marketing, and another for SMS, another for landing pages, calendars, or even automations, high level bundles all of that into a single dashboard. That's why it's especially popular with agencies and service based businesses. Now, people often say the biggest appeal isn't that any one feature is revolutionary, but that everything is finally in one place and talking to each other. Now, in practice, most businesses use high level to capture leads, track them through pipeline, and even automatically follow up through email, SMS, or even voicemail drops. Now, reviews on different platforms like Reddit here and such, and agency forums often mention that once automations are set up properly, leads stop falling through the cracks. Follow-ups often happen automatically, appointments get booked without back and forth, and teams don't have to manually chase every prospect. That automation engine is where a lot of term users say the real value lives. Now, another reason agencies in particular stick with high level is the ability to manage multiple clients under one account. Now, according to different reviews out there, being able to spin up sub accounts for clients and even white label the platform makes it easier to deliver marketing devices at scale. Now, some agencies literally resell high level as their own software, which is something most CRMs don't allow, and that's a big reason it keeps coming up in agency circles year after year. That said, real user feedback is very clear that high level is not beginner friendly. Now, because it does so much, the learning curve is steep. Now, reviews on Trustpilot and again Reddit often mention that the first few weeks can feel overwhelming, especially if someone hasn't used CRMs or automation tools before. Now, many users say they didn't really get the platform until they invested time in tutorials, onboarding calls, or community training. Now, there are also consistent comments about polish. Now, while high level can build funnels, send emails, and manage websites, some users point out that those features don't feel as refined as dedicated tools built for just one purpose. Now, for example, people sometimes compare the funnel builder to ClickFunnels or the email system to dedicated email platforms and say high level gets the job done. But it isn't always as smooth or flexible. So email delivery and usage-based costs also comes up in reviews, especially for businesses and sending high volumes. Now, support feedback is kind of mixed but realistic. Some users report good onboarding and helpful reps, while others mention slower response times when dealing with complex issues. Now, there are complaints out there that you may want to know, but based on what we're seeing here in reviews on Trustpilot, it suggests that most of the problems eventually get resolved, but patience is sometimes required. So, when people ask if Go High Level is worth this as of this moment, the overall consensus is pretty consistent. Now, if you're running an agency or business that generally needs CRM, automation, email, SMS, funnels, and client management all under one roof, high level can simply simplify your operations and even save money compared to paying for multiple tools. But if your needs are simple or you want something that is easy and polished right out of the box, many reviews feel high level can be an overkill and unnecessary complex here. So that's really the trade-off people keep coming back to. Go High Level is powerful and flexible, but it asks for time, learning, and setup in return. So it's kind of complicated. It's not for beginners. Now, for the right type of business, that trade makes sense. For others, it can feel heavier than necessary. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.